Hi everyone, this is Neha and welcome to Himachali Tutor Neha Rana, the place where we don't just learn English, we learn to think, speak, and express ourselves confidently in English. Today we are starting a brand new series on this channel called Think in English with Neha. In this series, I'll help you develop something extremely important, the ability to think directly in English. ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत लोगों के साथ आती है, हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश। बस उसी का सॉल्यूशन आज मिलेगा। सी, let me tell you something honestly. Many people study English for years, they learn grammar, they memorize vocabulary, but when it comes to speaking they still hesitate. Why? Because their mind is still thinking in their native language and translating everything into English, and that habit slows down your fluency. So, today we are going to talk about how you can train your mind to think naturally in English. Let me describe a very common situation. Someone asks you a simple question in English. Where are you going? Now, what happens in your mind? किसी ने एकदम से पूछा, तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? अब हमारा प्रोसेस क्या है? स्टेप वन है ना, क्या होगा? यू थिंक इन हिंदी, मैं मार्केट जा रही हूँ। Your brain starts translating. I'm going to market. By the time you say the sentence, you already feel nervous and slow. And this is the biggest barrier in speaking English. Fluent speakers don't translate, they think directly. For example, instead of thinking, मुझे भूख लगी है, their mind instantly says, I'm hungry. No translation, no hesitation, just a natural thought. सबसे बड़ी बात है, हम भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं, हम अपने दिमाग को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं इस चीज के लिए। ठीक है, अब देखो बच्चे कैसे सीखते हैं इंग्लिश। लेट्स लर्न समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन। व्हेन अ चाइल्ड लर्न्स अ लैंग्वेज दे डू नॉट स्टडी ग्रामर रूल्स। ठीक है, बच्चे तो ग्रामर के रूल्स नहीं, हमने खुद जब अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज सीखी थी, क्या हमने ग्रामर रूल्स पढ़े थे? नहीं। सो बच्चे क्या करते हैं? दे सिंपली ऑब्जर्व, लिसन एंड रिपीट। दे कनेक्ट situations with words. When they see water, they learn the word water. When they feel hungry, they learn the word hungry. Slowly, their brain connects feeling, objects, and situations directly with language. That is exactly what you must do with English. ट्रांसलेशन में ना पढ़ के डायरेक्टली कैसे सोचना है, इस तरह से दिमाग को हमें ट्रेन करना है। अब बात करते हैं थॉट्स। मैं बताऊं, द पावर ऑफ स्मॉल थॉट्स। हमें बहुत फिलोसफिकल नहीं बनना है इनिशियली। ओके, थिंकिंग इन इंग्लिश बिगिंस विद वेरी स्मॉल थॉट्स। यू डोंट नीड कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सेंटेंसेस, यू जस्ट नीड सिंपल ऑब्जर्वेशंस। कितनी बार मैं ये चीज बोल चुकी हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट नाउ आस्क योर सेल्फ सिंपल क्वेश्चंस। What am I doing right now? Maybe your thoughts, maybe your thought could be, I'm watching this video. How do I feel today? I feel relaxed today. What should I do later? I should finish my work. These are simple sentences, but they are extremely powerful because each sentence trains your brain to form thoughts directly in English. You can do this anywhere, while cooking, while walking, while sitting alone. Your mind can constantly create small English thoughts. लेकिन हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें तो इनिशियली बहुत बड़े बड़े कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से सेंटेंसेस चाहिए, कंडीशनल्स, वुड हैव, शुड हैव, कुड हैव, आई विश आई कुड। इन्हीं चीजों में फंसे रहते हैं, तभी तो इतने सालों से बोल ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। सो प्लीज स्टार्ट विद सिंपल थिंग्स। अभी जो हमारी नेक्स्ट स्ट्रैटेजी होने वाली है, वो होगी डिस्क्राइब योर सराउंडिंग्स। Another powerful exercise is describing your surrounding in English. Look around your room. Maybe you see a table. You can think, my table is a little messy. Maybe you see a window. The sunlight looks beautiful today. Maybe you hear birds outside. ये छोटी छोटी ऑब्जर्वेशंस हमें सिखाती हैं हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश। ओके, और सबसे बड़ा जो बोलते हैं ना भूत, उसकी एंट्री होने वाली है, हाउ टू ओवरकम। the fear of mistakes. One big reason people avoid thinking in English is fear of mistakes. They feel that if their sentence is not perfect, they should not say it. But remember this, fluency is built through practice, not perfection. Even if your sentence is not perfect, your brain is still learning. For example, maybe you think today weather very good. Okay? Today weather very good. अब ये perfect English तो है नहीं, but your brain will eventually improve it too. The weather is very good today. So allow yourself to make mistakes. Mistakes are simply stepping stones towards fluency. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? I want you to do a small exercise with me. Take a moment and think about your day. Ask yourself these questions in English. What did I do this morning? What am I planning to do today? How am I feeling right now? Okay? What did I do this morning? What am I planning to do today? How am I feeling right now? Try answering these questions in English. Even if your sentences are simple, that's completely fine. The goal is not perfection. The goal is thinking in English. So remember this simple truth. Your fluency begins in your mind. The moment your thoughts starts forming in English, speaking becomes easier and more natural. So from today onwards, start creating small English thoughts throughout your day. ठीक है? जो भी ऑब्जर्व करते हो उसको इंग्लिश में सोचते जाओ, बोलते जाओ. अपनी फर्स्ट जो भी आपकी लैंग्वेज है, नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, उसको थोड़ी रेस्ट पे रख दो. ठीक है? यही एक्सरसाइज आपको करनी है. जो कुछ भी आपको दिख रहा है, जो आपको फील हो रहा है, जस्ट स्पीक in English. Think directly in English. Okay? And in the next episode of Think in English with Neha, we'll learn something even more interesting, how to express your emotions naturally in English. If you enjoyed this video, आपको पता है क्या करना है? लाइक करना है, चैनल पे नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करना है. और tell me in the comments, what is one sentence you thought in English today? I would love to read your answers. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.